gross. Stop encouraging it.
I'm not.
Here, that way it'll hopefully hold up a little bit longer. Nico doesn't even know what to do.
Yeah.
He looks scared. He's
No.
shaking.
I don't think he realized he's getting humped.
Maybe something's going on back there. He's shaking. Look at him. He's shaking.
Nico.
Nico, you want to come up here and get rid of him? Come back here. Can you come up here?
I think he likes it.
I think he likes the licking on the back. I don't think that's why he feels guilty. That's why he's ashamed. He doesn't want to be a part of this nastiness, but the licking feels so good. Nico, are you sure you don't want up here? This is disgusting. Are you really videotaping something?
Hey, Paige.
This is what post-hurricane madness does to people. He's going faster now. He might actually finish.
No.
You know he finished on Ashley's leg one time, right?
How did he finish it on the balls?
Well, so something ejaculated. It might have been some pee or something. But something spooched onto her jeans. And she was horrified. I think this might have been Thanksgiving.
Now he's licking his butt. Now he's giving him a blowjob.
Don't look at me. Come on, you can get up here. You can escape this madness. You just let this keep going on. Buddy. Buddy.
He's still going.
Buddy, Mama's ashamed. You're making me look very bad. Can you please put that away? Put your lipstick away. Put it away. Oh my god, did you really just do that? Did he just hump his mouth?
Oh, yes, he did. Yes.
No, go away. You're gross. Why is this another dog? That dog doesn't like other dogs, so you need to He's a very good dog, though. No. You're not humping anywhere near me. Go away. Go away. Go away. Is his thing still out?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
He's looking lovingly at his brother. Just really gross. Is he sucking himself off right now?
He's licking himself off. Does that taste good?
I like how the mosquito flies right around this camera while nothing.
Uh-huh.
I think I need to bring that other thing out here. I should have probably done that already. Because I've been pretty stationary the whole time. Ew. Gosh, it's gross. Buddy. That's naughty. That is naughty. Dumbest dog ever.
Are you done?
And perverted. You are a pervert, my dear. It's gonna get like a mosquito right now.
You done? Uh-uh. You ain't getting nowhere near me.
No! No. No. I draw the line when you get your thing near me. It's disgusting. I feel like you're wasting your battery.
I don't know.
Battery's so precious right now. Oh, you're getting bit by a mosquito. It was landed on you.
It's worth it, though.
And I get a little excited and do nothing about it.
Mm-hmm.